Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican hot chocolate tea. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 Jamaican chocolate ball, which yields around 1 cup when grated, for that authentic flavor. Also, have 3 cups of water and 1 cup of whole milk or coconut milk, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg, and sugar to taste. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Next, let's prepare the chocolate. Grate the Jamaican chocolate ball into small pieces. This makes it much easier to melt evenly and prevents clumps in your tea. If grating isn't an option, finely chop the chocolate with a knife. The goal is to have small, uniform pieces that will quickly incorporate into the liquid, creating a smooth and delicious base for your hot chocolate tea. Now it's time to simmer our tea. In a saucepan, bring 3 cups of water to a boil. Then, add the grated chocolate, cinnamon sticks, and nutmeg to the pot. Allow this mixture to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure the chocolate dissolves and the flavors meld. After this, stir in 1 cup of milk and let it gently simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Finally, let's finish and serve your delicious Jamaican hot chocolate tea. Stir in your desired amount of sugar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. Remove the cinnamon sticks and then strain the warm, fragrant tea into your favorite mugs. For an extra treat, you can garnish it with a dollop of whipped cream or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy this comforting, traditional beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.